Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to our Psychology Delhi channel. And this is me, Ayush Chandra.
And this is me, Shraddha.
She is my partner in my profession and my life as well. So you know her, you see her content as well. आज हम दोनों आपके सामने हैं, कुछ अपने दिल की बातें आपसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं about our practice, about the healing we do, what are the areas of expertise and आप किस किस तरीके की services and mental health benefits avail कर सकते हैं Psychology Delhi पर. तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं वी बोथ आर फाउंडर्स को फाउंडर्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी दिल्ली. हमने बहुत पहले ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्ट किया टू हेल्प पीपल टू रीच आउट टू देम.
उसी ड्रीम को फॉलो करते हुए हमने एक यूट्यूब चैनल डेफिनेटली खोला with which we have been giving you a lot of information regarding different aspects. खासकर कि आयुष sir over here focuses on OCD and its treatment and how you can manage it with certain tips and what you should know about that illness because it goes undiagnosed in most of the cases, है ना?
Exactly.
And I generally deal with trauma, anxiety, procrastination, ADHD, and also personality disorders and help people have a better life. And my take on it is definitely going to be a little bit different and I focus on different areas because हम जैसे इंसानों के preferences होते हैं कि कौन सा खाना पसंद है, किसी को कहाँ जाना पसंद है, किसी को mountains या beaches. I think psychologists
We love
also
beaches. No, we love mountains.
we love mountains, yeah. But and definitely psychologists को भी कुछ areas and कुछ issues, illnesses पसंद होती है treat करने के लिए. पसंद तो क्या, we feel more connected when we are dealing with those cases and hence that becomes niche for that psychologist.
और एक बात ये भी है कि जैसे हम लोग over the period of time if you see more cases of one disorder, naturally it is there that आपको उसमें speciality हो जाएगा, आप specialized हो जाओगे, right?
Because you get a lot of information, you get a lot of data.
And today's major point of this video is basically I want to tell all of you that हम लोग साथ में क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, पार्टनर्स हैं, we are also dealing an area which बहुत कम लोगों को पता है इस बारे में, that we focus on couples therapy a lot. हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में हमने कैसे नेविगेट किया या हम कैसे नेविगेट करते हैं, this is one thing.
It's not that we don't fight.
We fight a lot.
Yeah.
And but it's a healthy fight. How you navigate through them and how couples and relationships can flourish further. ये एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पे हमारी काफी ज्यादा अप्रोच, बहुत एक यूनिक पर्सपेक्टिव है हमारा, being a therapist couple.
And also being in this relationship with him since 7-8 years now. So lost the count.
Exactly. That's a good sign. So a lot of couples come to us and अगर आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको भी लगता है आपकी रिलेशनशिप में कोई इश्यूज हैं, आपकी कन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, अनहेल्दी फाइट्स होते हैं या सेपरेशन के बारे में बार बार सोचते हैं या कोई भी पार्टनर अनलव्ड फील करता है, या फिर नॉट वैल्यूड फील करता है, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन रीच आउट टू बोथ ऑफ अस एंड वी बोथ गेट यू अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. As not just we are a psychologist, we have been living our life through different psychological techniques and different therapy modules,
so we
managing
know what works basically,
and managing
so that
what
you
all
don't
areas.
have to read thousands of books and go through thousands of materials. So we know what works, we know how our Indian mentality works, so that you don't have to convert all those Western couple therapy knowledge into Indianized version of it, so that you can get it without stress.
और ये नॉलेज सिर्फ बुकिश नहीं है.
yes.
राइट, ये नॉलेज आती है पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से भी और इतनी सालों के नेविगेशन से. एक और चीज श्रद्धा, लाइक बहुत सारे लोगों को जब मैं रिलेशनशिप या कपल्स थेरेपी की बात करता हूँ, सो समटाइम्स पीपल आस्क कि कपल्स थेरेपी में एक्चुअली क्या क्या एरियाज कवर होते हैं, लाइक व्हाट डू यू डू इन द कपल्स थेरेपी?
जनरली जब हम कपल्स थेरेपी की बात करते हैं, पहले तो वी नीड टू असेस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज that the couple is facing, right? Because when two people come into the room with certain sets of disagreements, or certain sets of conflicts, it's not about the conflicts. I feel it's more about जो चीजें बात either नहीं हुई है या फिर नहीं हो रही है. So we need to assess what's there,
unfulfilled needs and all, right?
What's the background behind it, like how they have ended up in that room matters more than what they are fighting about that
Exactly, and
moment.
I personally feel that they are there. It means that they have potential to navigate through it.
अगर दो
नहीं तो
लोग
वहां
आए
तक
तो
होते नहीं वो, right?
राइट, अगर दो लोग आए तो होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर दैट, बट
Right.
अगर कोई एक इंसान भी आया है तो देन डेफिनेटली वी आर नॉट सेइंग दैट कि देयर इज नो होप. There
Of
is
course.
definitely, but I'm saying there is more hope if two people are approaching us at the same
Hope to
time.
reach the right conclusion, not
Right.
always one-sided approach. And also like बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि couples therapy में लोग सिर्फ लड़ाई झगड़े सुलझाने आते हैं, which is actually not true.
No.
Couple therapy मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, relationship therapy या couple therapy कह लीजिए, sometimes people call it family therapy also. So there are many areas of it. तो जैसे प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग, तो कितने सारे लोग किस एज ग्रुप में आते हैं श्रद्धा ज्यादातर?
जनरली आपके 24 से लेके 30
के
बीच में हो
Right.
सकता है. एंड
Okay.
आजकल मैरिजेस लेट हो रही है, पीपल आर मैरिंग इन देयर लेट 20s to 30s. एंड एक कॉन्सेप्ट होती है कि हमारे दिमाग, हमारे एरियाज, हमारे लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स या फिर हमारे पर्सनालिटी सॉलिडिफाई हो जाती है. We are not very flexible at that age when we are getting married late. So
Exactly.
definitely people are very sure about what they want in a partner,
Exactly.
but that also makes it difficult for them to get a partner.
Sometimes boundary become rigid, very
Yes.
totally rigid, right?
Yes, yes.
So एक तो ये चीज है
about that and
हाँ.
finding the middle ground basically कि कैसे हम उस चीज को मैनूवर कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम वो ग्रे एरियाज को देख
Find कर
सकते हैं.
agree to disagree
Yes,
कर सकते हैं.
yes.
So वहां तक पहुंचना. And talking about the areas, okay, so I want to highlight the point that for our viewers कि areas सिर्फ लड़ाई झगड़े नहीं है, areas ये भी हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आप जब शादी कर रहे हैं तो इन लॉज का बाउंड्रीज क्या होंगी,
Definitely.
विच इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट इन आवर
in India
in Indian
actually,
households,
in India actually,
right?
because it's a collectivistic culture, right?
Right.
It's not an individualistic culture कि
Exactly.
वहाँ पे it's taken for granted कि 14 के age से you are on your own, you are independent, and
Right.
you are expected to marry and get your own house.
Right. So relatives, in-laws के boundaries, financial boundaries, because most of these days like both the people, both the partners are working, right? जैसे हम भी
Right.
दोनों साथ वर्क करते हैं. So
बिल्कुल.
working है तो finances कैसे शेयर होंगे, कौन contribute करेगा, कौन नहीं करेगा, what is the personal share, what is the common share, all of that, right? Even to the aspect कि people talk about child rearing practices कि किसी को child चाहिए, किसी को some people do not want kid, some people want kid. How you are going to bear expenses and all of that? Who will take care?
Because what
Right.
happens, मैं एक चीज और भी हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे कि who all are basically can seek services of relationship therapy is those people who didn't know that they could avail premarital counseling and either got married to the love of their life at that point and now they are stuck somewhere with it and they don't know where to proceed,
Exactly.
or you have married the love of your family, the love of your parents, and now you're stuck and you don't know what to do about the conflicts and what do you expect of your partners and each other of your life. Those people can definitely benefit from
Exactly.
relationship therapy.
Right.
Because in such cases it is really required that you figure out तुम दोनों को क्या चाहिए relationship से basically, and where do you both want your relationship to go.
The vision
Yes.
of it, right? The blueprint
Yes.
of it. क्योंकि और मैंने कई बार देखा, like last week only I was having a couple session. So people gets married, ठीक है, they get married and then later on they realize that उस courtship period का उन्होंने इस्तेमाल कुछ नहीं किया. So like बहुत सारे लोग इससे रिलेट कर पाएंगे कि लोग मिलते हैं, चाहे वो अरेंज सेटअप हो चाहे लव सेटअप हो, मोस्टली फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज ऑफ मीटिंग और इवन मंथ्स समटाइम्स
Right.
गोज इनटू लाइक हनीमून फेज. आप लवी डबी हो रहे हो, कोजी हो रहे हो, स्वीट टॉक्स कर रहे हो, ड्रेस वेल कर रहे हो, लेकिन you're not talking about the real shit, the real issues which are going to come up in the life or which has been there. तो कोई बाउंड्री सेटअप नहीं हुए, कोई एरियाज के डिस्टिंक्शंस नहीं हुए.
एंड इस चीज के लिए ना बहुत ज्यादा हद तक रेस्पॉन्सिबल होती है हमारी पेरेंटिंग, हमारा चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंसेस,
राइट,
हमारे पास्ट रिलेशनशिप के पैटर्न,
हमारे अटैचमेंट स्टाइल्स,
Yes.
कि हम एक दूसरे से कैसे अटैच होते हैं या रिश्तों में कैसे.
करेक्ट. हमको कितना सपोर्ट फील हुआ है अपने फैमिली में, हमको कितना ज्यादा रीइंफोर्स्ड फील हुआ है, पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्टेशंस कितनी रही है,
राइट,
बाउंड्रीज कैसे रही है मेरे फैमिली में, मेरे
आपने
साथ
अपनी फैमिली में लड़ाई झगड़े कैसे
देखे हैं.
कैसे
राइट,
देखे हैं,
करेक्ट. अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ एक दूसरे के कैसे रिलेशनशिप है आपके पेरेंट्स के,
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट.
बिकॉज to be honest, I see a lot of patients, right, regarding this. And recently, I have seen a trend wherein people are very, very insecure about their own life, their own personality, their own choices, and that sometimes makes a barrier in actually being vulnerable to your partners.
To your partner. You know, one day one couple was saying that, you know, कि my partner told me कि vulnerable मत हो because या फिर मैं vulnerable नहीं हो सकता आपके सामने because I fear that this might be used against me later on in the fights.
Oh my God.
So
red flag.
Exactly. तो past को लेकर आना या उन चीजों को, अगर आप किसी का vulnerable हो रहे हो, आप अपनी insecurities बता रहे हो, उसको लेकर आके लड़ना, तो ये सारी चीजें जो हैं हमें सीखनी है, और ये सीखते नहीं है तो दिक्कतें आती है. तो जैसे मैं कमिंग बैक टू
दोनों में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I would say both of them are okay individually. Okay, in their spaces. Maybe the other person who is in that position wherein she or he feels the need to use those vulnerabilities or hold on to those vulnerabilities at times of stress is never experienced or has never experienced a trusting relationship in their life. Maybe she has never or he has never seen someone holding the secrets or holding that backbone and supporting them. Yes, they have never seen a safe place in their life, and that is why they cannot trust this person also. Right. And this person who is feeling that he'll be betrayed might have also a lot of baggage from past relationships, wherein he has not seen his trust been validated in the same way that he thought he would. Exactly. And thanks for clarifying on that, because I want to tell my viewers that red flag not about the person, red flag about the relationship. The situation, right? Yes. So we usually cannot pinpoint in couple कि कौन गलत और कौन सही. Actually यहाँ winning and losing नहीं होता. यहाँ बात है कि relationship is the patient, not the people in themselves, right? कौन सही कौन गलत नहीं, relationship का dynamic गलत है, compatibility खराब हो गई है, right? So this is how we navigate through it, and different areas को फिर आप boundaries करते हो, different areas की expectations set करते हो. पहले तो हम assess ही करते हैं कि कौन से areas में specifically issues है. And couples में specifically इतने सारे areas नहीं होते हैं, कुछ ही areas होते हैं जो कि हम specific interest या importance देते हैं. Right. First of them being the compatibility, कि कितना ज़्यादा आपके interests and आपके चीजों के बारे में attitudes, perspectives have alignments. Right? And then there is next is your family values and your systems that you have seen, basically your attitudes over the course of time, your childhood relationships with your parents, how you have seen your parents, what do you think as a positive relationship, what do you think as a toxic relationship, whatever, like your perspectives, right? And the third being intimacy. The sexual intimacy, emotional intimacy, all sorts of closeness, how you express it, how you want to feel it, your love language, all that. Intimacy is a big area, I would say, that because a lot of couples, mostly a lot of them, and we all can agree to it, we fight on different issues, but mostly the underlying issues, it comes out as sexual intimacy being not so appropriate. आप में से जितने भी couples देख रहे हैं जिसके life में distress है relationship में, एक बार खुद से जरूर पूछिएगा कि do you think that there is a problem in the intimacy, the physical emotional intimacy among both of you. तो कई बार वो areas होते हैं पर लड़ाई किसी और बात पे होती है. Right. So this is a brief overview of how relationship therapy work, how we both practice together. So whosoever feels, अच्छा relationship की दिक्कतें जरूरी नहीं कि communication या चीजों के मतभेद से हो. एक बहुत important area है because a lot of our people who watch us, who are our subscribers, suffering with different kind of mental health conditions, right? और अगर एक couple में से किसी एक को, couples में से किसी एक partner को कोई mental health condition है, right? As simple as anxiety, OCD, anything, right? Personality issues, anger issues, time management, इन वजहों से अगर एक इंसान को ज्यादा problem है तो दूसरा पार्टनर इम्पैक्ट हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा, राइट? और किसी भी तरह से वो इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, राइट? एंड वो इम्पैक्ट अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो मे बी दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम, दैट कुड आल्सो बी अ प्रॉब्लम इफ दे आर नॉट एबल टू एक्नॉलेज इट. इज ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आप सबसे क्लोजेस्ट अपने पार्टनर से ही होते हो. एंड अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे अभी बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी है दिल्ली में, लाइक इट्स टू हॉट, लाइक 50-55 डिग्रीज इन दिल्ली, सो your environment affects you a lot. You are going to feel that distress, you are going to feel that warmth, that difficulty.
Let's say heat, not warmth.
Yeah,
That heat wave
yeah,
will hit
yeah,
you.
that crippling under your skin, because you are not going to be having a great time with your partner. You are not going to see them in the same way that you saw them before.
Exactly.
There is going to be changes in their behaviors, in them doing things for you, reciprocating you with you, and that is going to definitely affect you mentally and emotionally.
Exactly. तो ओवर इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी और अंडर इन्वॉल्वमेंट दोनों ही
या
बहुत खराब है,
hostility.
या हॉस्टिलिटी या कोडिपेंडेंसी विच इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम इन द
Yes,
रिलेशनशिप
yes.
लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. तो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है. तो अगर आपको लगता है आपके पार्टनर्स आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं समझ रहे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, या उनको अवेयरनेस नहीं है या समझने की कंडीशन में नहीं है, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट lack of awareness leading to more problems in life, it's better you come to the relationship therapy, take a perspective, set your expectation from your partner and then carry on with your life. ना कि रोज लड़ाई झगड़े करो किसी और चीज के ऊपर and relationship बिल्कुल खराब होता जाए. So I think we can end this video
Yes,
here, not to
yes.
stretch this topic even further. और भी आगे मिलते रहेंगे हम लोग, और हम कोशिश करेंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा कंटेंट आपको साथ में लाकर दें about relationship, about OCD, stress, time management. I mean, we
Everything
do it all,
related
right?
with psychology and things that interest us,
Right.
probably, because I think this videos that we were uploading lacked scope for this discussion.
Exactly.
So we thought that this is a better way to bring out two different perspectives and how you can like choose doing things, because obviously we being trained therapists still have different perspectives,
Right.
how we deal with things. Obviously we agree upon some things, but we also disagree on certain
We agree to
things.
disagree.
Yeah, we agree to disagree on things. So let's meet in the next video, and do let us know if there is any specific topics or issues that you would like us to discuss, and if it is under the I would say domain of our intellect and our knowledge and expertise, then definitely we are going
We'll
to
bring
give it.
Yes, of course. And of course जैसे हम दोनों ही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो आप of course अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हमसे सर्विसेज अवेल करें या हमारी हेल्प लें to navigate through life, we'll drop a link in the chat section, in the comment section, in the
Yes.
description somewhere. We will find it.
Do not follow to subscribe us and hit
Do
that.
not follow.
Okay. Sorry.
Do not forget to forget
do
things.
not- do not forget to subscribe us and also hit that notification button.
YouTubers नहीं
bell.
होते तो ऐसे ही होता है. आप
सही बात
YouTuber
है.
नहीं हो ना.
I'm not a YouTuber, so obviously hit that subscribe button, or also along with that the bell notification, so that you are getting a notification whenever we are uploading a video. And do like and comment below and let us know how you felt about today's podcast, an
And
informal podcast, or we can say, and see you in the next video.
share it with your partner as well. This is a very neutral kind of topic we have touched upon today. So all right, see you in the next video. Take care till then. Bye bye.
Bye bye.